美国总统 Trump 针对关税阁有上新的讲话，伊讲拍算要对进口的糖扣50%的关税，阁放调讲针对药品的部分要扣200%的关税。伊嘛讲后续关税通知函会陆续寄出去，也若针对欧盟的部分，阁过2天就会寄出去啊。
美国总统川普昨晡伫咧内阁会议讲，将会对进口的糖扣50%的关税，来当作扩张国内糖业，抑个保障国家安全的手段。
We did steel, as you know, they're 50%. We did aluminum, 50%. Lumber just came out.
Wrench, and that's copper.
And we did cars. And now, today we're doing copper. We're going to make it 50%.
这项政策按算7月底进行生效，上班是未超过8个初日。消息散播了，纽约糖期货计价一天上最起到17%。另外，川普对药品的进口关税也有计划。
We'll be announcing something very soon on pharmaceuticals. We're going to give people about a year and a half to come in, and they're going to be tariffed at a very, very high rate, like 200%.
川普话一讲煞，制药类股早盘就小盘，辉瑞、安进、爱博威拢盘，不过尾下就行稳维持一个热盘。川普也讲，要对晶片等产业有共款的计划。另外，川普政府开始寄批通知世界各国新的关税税率，过2天就会寄予欧盟。公司新闻吴文玲编辑。